The crypto market is at an all-time low, and this is the perfect opportunity for you to get into it. Think about it. Why would you go in Bitcoin when it's worth 100k? What's the max profit you can make? Yes, if you're lucky, it's gonna double, but like you would just double your money. But right now it's at 17k. That's almost 5 times your investment. Actually, I think it's more than 5 times. Anyway, you get my point. Right now, it's the best time to invest, and for that you need to know the basics. So you saw the title of the video. Today we're going to talk about MetaMask, the best online wallet for crypto, in my opinion. MetaMask is a popular browser extension that allows you to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. It is one of the most popular online wallets. So yeah, it's that easy. It's a browser extension that allows you to securely store your coins, your NFTs, and all that. The wallet also allows you to access decentralized applications. Let's say a website only goes with crypto, you can access it with MetaMask. So if you're new in crypto, I know what I said might be really confusing for you. So that's why I'm going to show you step by step how to install it, how to create an account, and how to set it up. First thing you would do is search MetaMask in Google. MetaMask. There we go. And you click on the first link. So it's going to bring you to this website. If you want, you can do the whole Google search thing, but I also put the link in the description so it's easier for you. So anyway, you go for download for Google Chrome. I already have it in my Chrome, so for you it would be like add the extension. So when it's installed, you're gonna see this page. It's gonna be welcome to MetaMask. The little fox is moving and everything. You get started, you agree. So now there's two options. If you already have an account, there's import to wallet, or if you want to create a new one, you go let's get it set it up. So for you, I'll say it here. You're just gonna create a password. So let's say, I don't know, agree, create. So the fun thing is they're gonna show you a video on it.
MetaMask is a new way to connect to sites and applications. On traditional websites, a central database or bank is responsible for controlling and recovering your accounts. But on MetaMask, all of the power belongs to the holder of a master key, whoever holds the key.
So I'm not going to show you the whole video, but I highly recommend you watching it when you're going to be there. But basically what it's saying is that it's going to give you a sentence that you have to go store somewhere, that if you ever lose your password, you have to put in that sentence so you can recover your account. It's not like a basic website where you can like, oh, I forgot my password, here's my Gmail, you can just like send me a recovery link. You cannot lose that recovery phrase. So once you're done with the video, just click next. So this is your secret recovery phrase. It's going to be hidden. You're going to click on it. I'm using this account as a test account, so I don't mind showing it to you. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy and put this somewhere you're not going to lose. Anyway, you go next. And it's going to tell you, oh, can you rewrite it? Okay, so now that I put them in, the last one is slice. You're going to continue. Congratulations, you have your MetaMask wallet active now. But I'm going to quickly show you how it works. So right here, you have your assets. Right now, you have nothing. So as soon as you're going to buy some Ethereums, it's going to show here. MetaMask really uses Ethereum more than anything else. So since it's the beginning for you, just stick with Ethereum. Right now, you're on the Ethereum mainnet. You can add a network. You can add all of these ones or like add a network manually. So this is your activity. It's going to show here like if you transfer or not. It's going to show here. It's like your history. If you click here, you have access to your account. You can create a new account, import an account, connect hardware wallet. So that's in the future. If you want to buy a hardware wallet, you can add it to this account. And if you go on the little fox that's going to be here, you have your Ethereum wallet here connected. So now all there's left is for you to have fun, go explore the crypto network. And now that you have a wallet, you can buy assets, play crypto games, buy NFTs. Because right now, like I said, it's the perfect time to get into it because the crypto world is at an all-time low. And if you're a big believer that it's going to succeed, that it's going to come back, you're going to be able to accumulate generation wealth. Because right now, if you can buy assets and they're going to 5x, 10x, 20x in the future, think about it. For me, I'm going to keep investing into it. But right now, since you saw how the wallet works, go have fun, go try it out.